Action.
Bubbles, me not sleep good last night. And Karim realized cause me not toss and a twist in my sleep.
Oh hell no!
Action.
Sorry. Actually, you guys are me in a show.
Action.
She good man, boss. So go ahead, see me. Get used to it.
Ciao.
Something alright, yeah. Something alright.
I'm trying to come and imagine how I'm going to do it.
Something alright.
Hey, my feel laugh there. My feel laugh there come.
Oh hell no!
Sorry, boss. But look on it out here. One less stray bird on the road.
You turn around.
Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out.
Something alright, yeah.
Action.
Them never did that work. Sorry, sir. Wait.
Action.
The only issue we have now in a bossy, we don't have no information to get from Theme side. So we reach another dead end.
Yeah, boop! Trigger.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Got it! Got it!
Action.
Yeah. We're run out of leads. We're run out of people we can get close to Tony. Information pan Tony.
That was legitness. Yeah.
Action.
Them never did that work. Sorry, sir. Wait.
Action.
That's true. Jesus Christ.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
Look at that. You know, you could have asked Mr. Sullivan to wait for you. We didn't even...
Got it! Got it!
Action.
Looking forward for...
Something alright.
Action.
I'm finishing up some refurbish at some of the locations.
Refurbishing. Refurbishing.
No. No.
Action.
I need someone trustworthy and who can work under pressure while maintaining a calm head. Cool head.
A few moments later.
Action.
I need someone trustworthy and who can work...
A few minutes later.
Action.
I need someone trustworthy and who can work under pressure while keeping a meet.
And keep up.
Oh hell no!
I see. You see, some... Ooh.
Asking.
Oh my god!
Action.
Okay, good. You see, the thing is, have several funeral homes across the island. So I'm going to need...
Someone.
somebody. Yeah.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
Action.
Good night, Miss Nicey.
Miss Nisi.
Okay.
Good night, Miss Nisi.
I get that.
I get that name.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
Miss Nisi. I get that.
Continue.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Action.
and you send her mixed feelings, what you think I got happen?
No, signals.
Wrong. Let you get home.
Action.
Hell have no scorn.
No. Action.
And you send her mixed feelings, what you think I got happen?
Feelings, yes, again.
My God.
Action.
And you send her mixed signals, what you think I got happen?
Wrong. Let you get home.
Action.
So you're going to stop taking care of them because you hear that.
You hear that? Sure, them not.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
Action.
You're confusing yourself, Trevor. Little.
I know you still.
Action.
All we have to do now is offer our support.
No. Action.
Not necessarily, no.
Meltdown.
Sir.
Action.
Not necessarily, no. Them have to do a surgery, though. And them have to do
Wrong. Let
Action.
Alright. I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. I go hold a shower.
What I eat it to laugh at now? What shall I laugh at? Tell me honest.